If your app is starting to fill up with data, this video is critical. In this video, I'll show you how to use filters and slices in AppSheet to control what data is shown and to who. This is how you stop apps from becoming messy. Right now, our app is showing everything: approved tasks, open tasks, old tasks, all mixed together. Filters and slices allow us to organize this properly. And the best part? We don't touch the original data. Think of a slice as a saved filter. The data stays in the table, but AppSheet only shows rows that match our rules. Once you understand this, everything else becomes easier. Let's create our first slice. I'm going to make a slice that only shows open tasks. Now, we tell AppSheet which rows to include. This expression will only return rows where the task is not completed. Let's do the opposite. This time, a slice that only shows approved tasks. Slices become powerful when we attach them to views. Let us create two new views. We will call this one Approved Tasks, and we will attach it to our slice called Approved Tasks. This view will only show all the approved tasks. You can customize your view, like to make it show time completed, and take some of the other data off. The next one we will call Open Tasks, and we will let it only show all the open tasks by attaching our slice called Open Tasks to it. You can customize it by showing the priority level and to sort it accordingly. You can also make slices based on your priority level: high, medium, and low. What is nice is you can duplicate a slice and change the conditions or criteria, like priority level being high, medium, or low. You can then attach this to views and also duplicate the views and call it high priority, medium priority, and low priority. You only need to change the slice that is attached to each view, and based on that, you will see all your tasks based on their priority level, not if it is approved or not. But in later videos, we will discuss how you can build in 2 or more conditions into your slices. A common mistake is editing the original table instead of using slices. Always filter with slices first. Your data stays clean and your app stays flexible. Each view can show a different slice of the same data. This is how you build real apps. Different views for managers, workers, completed work, or today's tasks. In the next video, we'll take this further. We'll control who sees what using user roles and security filters. That's where AppSheet starts feeling like a proper system. If slices finally made sense, hit like. Subscribe if you want practical AppSheet tutorials. And comment if you want the sample data I'm using.